If you failed at something recently, it's alright. I really didn't feel like practicing yoga today morning, so I'm going to try doing 10,000 steps and let's see how that goes. To be honest, the first 1,000 steps was really easy. This was not one of my best ideas. I hope this is fun for you guys to watch. I'm slowly. Oh my god, my arms are hurting. My arms hurting. I'm walking my legs. Okay, I'm gonna see you all at 5k. Bye. I don't think I want to do 10k steps anymore. I just don't want to be that person. I think I'm going to stop because I'm at 2,800 steps. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. I need to pee. And my legs are shaking. It's not as nice as it sounds. When do I normally get my steps in? When there's a music festival or a concert, realistically. And then I'll stop. Because there are no losers in this game, especially when I'm the only one playing. Correct, no? I don't think I'm going to be able to do 10k anyway. I'm just going to go home. Now the thing is that even if I push myself to 5k steps, it's still not 10k now. So chodo, try, and I can't. Honestly, I physically can't right now, at least not today. I don't think anyone can just get up and do 10k steps. I mean, if you do that, then that's on you. I'm really proud of you. Oh my god, I just need to take it easy. So that's all. I think I've reached 3,000. Let me check. Let's see what happens. I'm at 3,200 steps. Let's just try doing it. I can't do that. 7,000 more steps. I mean, if I was at 7,000, I'd do 3,000 steps now. I'd be like, nah, not happening. 4,900 was 4,800 and 91. Trying to walk backward because maybe it counts better backward walking. My legs are paining a little bit. I'm almost at 6,000 steps. Now my mind is like 4 more thousand. I don't know. I'm gonna do this for as long as I can. 7,000 steps. First thing in the morning. No, I said I won't take a break. I'm just sitting for a minute. I don't think this is gonna make me do another 3,000 steps though. Remember how I told you guys that if I do 7,000 steps, I may just want to do the whole thing. I'm at 8,200 steps and now I'm just like, let me just do another. I don't want to do math right now. How many steps? 8,200? 1,800 steps. I think I've got this. It slows down. I'm at 1,800 steps, 1,000 steps to go. I can't believe the fact that I did 10,000 steps. It's day 9. I really didn't feel like practicing yoga today morning. So I'm going to try doing 10,000 steps and let's see how that goes. It's currently around 6:40. Why did I feel like stretching? I don't know. I woke up and I was on my phone. That's like a very bad thing to do. If you start being on your phone, then you just get lazy. But it's okay. I'm not taking a rest day. It's just about movement. So be kind to yourself and be kind to me. It's still pretty early. It's not as though I'm so bad that I've come so late and I'm so... I mean, it was holy, guys. People take it easy during festival time. That's what I've heard. The thing is, I don't know how long this is going to take 10,000 steps. I've never counted my steps because I don't like counting. It's not fun. Who likes counting? Tell me one thing. Once it goes above 10, I'm not counting anymore. There's just too much work. So I'm going to document. I'll try documenting after every 1,000 steps how I feel. A realistic review on whether this is fun or not. Now I just feel like I should feel as though I should have just gone there and done my yoga in the morning. But we are committed to this now. Also, I want to see how long it takes to do 10,000 steps. Google says it takes an hour and a half, It's supposed to be 3 kilometers. Can't even imagine walking 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers, I would have reached somewhere. But the good thing is that it's not that warm right now. Look at the sky, it's still pretty color. You can't see, wait, I'll show you. Sundar to hai, boss. Oh, I think I've done 100 steps. I've done more than 100 words for sure. Mama, I'm going here. Oh God. Why do I start these things? Why? I don't understand. Oh my god, there was a cobweb. These cobwebs, bro. Oh my god, I stepped on a leaf. So, I ate a lot of, too much chocolate yesterday. I ate a lot of chocolates. And my acne lost its mind. So, then I put this face pack with sandalwood and ashwagandha, and it's so good. Yes, birds, yes. 234 steps. 234, that's a lucky number. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my energy to walk instead of talk. Because I'll report after every 1,000 steps. Okay, guys? Wait for my updates. Bye. 280 steps, I lied. I just want to tell you guys that I don't regret not. Bro, I'm telling you, as much as I love being outside, when I hear that sound in bushes, I'm just like, what is that? So, what I was saying was that crow was literally posing on that tree branch. So, I don't regret not waking up and practicing yoga because I'm doing this, and honestly, I had planned it yesterday. I didn't justify things for fun. I'll tell you what I got so busy doing in the morning. So I've mentioned this before. My dhaiya is going on, which is 2.5 to 3 years of March. Yeah, around 2.5 to 3 years of this period of time where you learn lessons and this karmic cycle. You learn karmic lessons, and it can be good for some people also. It depends on how you look at things. So I was trying to calculate when it started, what was I doing, what happened, when did things take a turn for, I don't know if you want to say good or bad, for the good or bad. And then, thanks to Instagram, you get the story archive thing. I know I post way too much on Instagram, so it would be very difficult for me to scroll down to even last year, forget about 2 years back. And it was so interesting. So my dhaiya started in April. 1 second, a phone call. So I saw that, and then I realized that things actually took a turn in maybe, I don't really know. It didn't get really bad until last year, but not bad. I mean, I learned a lot of lessons, so I'm grateful. And then, oh, by the way, there's a good thing now. Instagram, in your DMs, you can schedule replies, so people will not think I'm a weirdo who starts messaging at 4 a.m. replying to messages at that time. Anyways, what I was saying was, I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens on 29th March, because it's finally going to get over, and for the next 22.5 years, it's not going to be in my sign again. So according to my moon sign, which is your Hindu Rashi, I'm a Scorpio, Vrikshik. I just know my Rashi in Hindi. So whoever else is a Scorpio, according to your Hindu Rashi or your moon sign, your dhaiya is getting over on the 29th of this month, which is monumental if you ask me. We need it, okay? And yeah, that's what I spent. How long? I woke up at 4:30, and then I was on my phone for I don't know how long, trying to figure out dates. Okay, what happened on that date? What happened on this date? Why did I do that? I don't know. Because also Venus is in retrograde, so I had to see what sign is my Venus in. It's in Leo. No, it's not in Leo. It is in Leo. It's in Leo, which means that I'm a really passionate, dramatic, I won't say lover. That sounds horrible. I'm very passionate and dramatic in relationships. That everything is just do or die. So that is quite interesting. That right now, that's what's happening. And what's interesting is that whatever will happen now is going to mirror what happened in 2017 or 2009. 2009, I don't even remember what was happening. 2017 also. So the thing is that you get your archives for stories till 2018-ish, not even the whole year. So I can't go track back to March, April, May of 2017. I don't remember, but I think most of my lessons are just with letting people into my life and understanding that being destructive is not a good pastime. Yes. So that's what happened. And the good thing about Dhaiya is it's not all bad. The good thing about a Dhaiya is it makes you really disciplined. It'll force you to reevaluate things, and it could also be a time of spiritual awakening, which I do feel. Honestly, I've not always been this. I mean, when I was really young, I was, and then when you start going to certain religious establishments, there's just so many rules and things like that. So I just didn't like the way I was treated, especially being a girl. There were so many rules. I mean, at that age, you also don't understand. In your teens, you just feel as though, why is this person telling me what to do? Why should I do this? Why are you talking to me like that? Everything is just so personal. And then it was just it just happened organically. This whole thing of me being more spiritually inclined. Religion does play a role. Spirituality and religion aren't that connected, but to me they are a tad bit. So what I do is I'm part Catholic too, and I like taking things from all religions that are nice, because I feel as though that's the best way to live. Just take your favorite things from every religion and follow them, believe in them. If you look at things in that way, there's something nice in everything, right? Let me see how many steps I've done. बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं हुआ है. 838, okay. Butterfly! Guys, you know that's lucky. That's a soul. That means someone who died has come to meet me. That's crazy. But who could it be? Could be anyone. So, that's where I'm at. Oh my god, that was a thing. I can't find the butterfly now to show you guys. Okay, so now I'm going to continue walking, and I have how many more steps to reach 1,000? Some steps. So I'll check back in 1,000 steps to let you know how it actually realistically feels. I did 1,000 steps. I feel okay. I think I was just talking a lot, so I'm like excited. I get really excited when I'm talking. So I'll tell you what mainly happened with my Dhaiya. I have always been extremely fortunate and lucky. Things have come extremely easy to me, as in, not extremely, but I know people who I've become aware enough to admit that yes, I probably don't work as hard as a lot of people do. I probably work harder than the majority of people too, but in my eyes, I get things really easy. I mean, if I work towards something, it'll come to me. I'll see results in a short span of time. I won't say it comes to me immediately, but yeah. But in my Dhaiya, during my Dhaiya, it was just a phase where things were just off. There was no explanation. And all this happens just to test you and to force you to look within. But when you're going through, you don't understand it. You're just like, what is happening? Even things I've started doing during this period I didn't achieve as much success as I'd have liked to. So that was my experience. I'm at 1,100 steps. I'm going to see you at 2,000 steps. Bye. Do you hear the crows? Crows are doing this a lot these days. Do you all know why? Is there something happening? Is it because of the weather? Is it an annual thing? Let me know, guys. I also feel as though when you look back at things, it's nice to sometimes just look at your own life and then be like, okay, you know what? I need to acknowledge there was good also that happened. My Dhaiya has not been all bad. It's just been forced me to look at things and people, and I've honestly broken a lot of patterns and changed habits that I didn't realize were a part of my DNA. You know how when you have a habit and you think that, oh, this is how I am, this is who I am, this is how people are. It's not like that. So now I've understood that that's not what it's not. It's actually not a part of my DNA. I can change it. You can tweak things. See you now. I'll actually see you when I finish 2K steps. To be honest, the first 1,000 steps was really easy. I'm still at 500 steps. I think I'm gonna update you all at 5,000 steps now, because if I keep waiting to see if it's 2,000 steps, I'm gonna be really sad. I'm still at 1,600 steps. Should I just jump in one place spot? Will that make this go faster? It's 7:04 a.m. I have to do this. Maybe the song I was listening to was not making me feel it. समझ रहे हो तुम? चलो guys, let me just... Okay, should I update you all at every 2,000 steps? That's too much, no? 5,000. I think 5,000 is good. 5,000 steps and then 10,000 steps. I don't know if I'll be able to do this, but I've already told you all I'm going to do it. Can you imagine not doing something I've said I'm going to do? Okay, let me focus. Okay, steps. It's 7:09. Sitting at a parrot. I'm gonna check in again when it's 5K now. I should have carried some water. That's one lesson. But then if I drink water, I'll have to pee. That's like one reason why I don't carry water. Because then I'm like, where am I going to pee? Just tell me. Tell me that. You have an answer? No. Getting a little snappy. I don't think I'm going to do this 10K thing ever again. Let me just tell you that. Let me just put that, kuch bhi out there. This was not one of my best ideas. I hope this is fun for you guys to watch. I'm slowly... Oh my god, my arms are hurting. My arms hurting. I'm walking my legs. Okay, I'm gonna see you all at 5K. Bye. Maybe 100 steps, and what I'm doing now is I'm off-roading. That's what cars do, no? And bikes. Off-roading, basically I'm not walking, taking rounds of the basketball court, because I got a little dizzy also. I'm just roaming round and round, chakka pe chakka. So now I'm going to try this path and see, does it get me to 1,000 steps, because then I just have to do math. Wait, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7 rounds of this. I don't know how that is supposed to make me feel better, but yeah. Back to doing rounds, because that was not even 400 steps. I don't know if there's a moral of this story. Maybe doing the boring thing is better. But walking on that path is more... there's more... I mean, it's maybe it's not a straight... क्या ही बोल रही हूँ मैं? I mean, it's a little more... I can't talk anymore. I don't think I want to do 10K steps anymore. I just don't want to be that person. I think I'm going to stop, because I'm at 2,800 steps. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, I need to pee, and my legs are shaking. It's not as nice as it sounds. I don't think 10K is for me. Moral of the story, you don't have to do things that your body doesn't want to do. It's all about listening to your body, and I know my body saying stop this, please. How many steps am I at? It's 2,900. Bhai sahab, ye khatam hi nahi ho raha. I think I just wasted a lot of my... I'm not going to make excuses. If you failed at something recently, it's alright. Is that a tractor? Now the thing is that even if I push myself to 5K steps, it's still not 10K now. So chodo, tried and I can't. Honestly, I physically can't right now, at least not today. I don't think anyone can just get up and do 10k steps. I mean, if you do that, then that's on. I'm really proud of you. Oh my god, I just need to take it easy. So that's all. I think I've reached 3,000. Let me check. 3,055. The hundreds are easy, just to get 1,000, it's a lot. I also feel like when I talk, it just goes faster. I don't feel like listening to music right now. That's also one reason why I'm just dragging through this. I don't think I'm going to be able to do 10k anyway. I'm just going to go home. You know, I hate when people say gonna. It's going to. I just said gonna. So I'm going to go home. I'm just fantasizing about what I'm going to eat. That's what my life has come to. I'm starting my gut cleanse from today, which is basically a fly was trying to attack me. Which is basically what I'm doing is I'm adding pineapple, very small portions of it to every meal, so that the protein that's in my gut, intestines, whatever is, it breaks it down. It'll break it down. I have officially turned vegetarian. I'm not going to change this, at least for a while. Pescatarian, I don't know, I don't feel like eating anything right now. Any animals. I don't think I ever liked it, honestly. So I'm trying to get rid of all the protein that's in my gut that's stuck there since so many years. Let's see what happens. I'm at 3,200 steps. Should I just try doing it? I can't, bro. That's 7,000 more steps. I mean, if I was at 7,000, I'd do 3,000 steps. I would have been like, nah, it's not happening. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि just 5-6 rounds and it's done. It's like more like 50-60 rounds of this court. And I'm honestly really thirsty and tired. Not tired, but I don't want to be like, I don't want to do it so that I can't do anything tomorrow. समझ रहे हो आप? Let me just see how much I can do realistically, and then I'll stop. Because there are no losers in this game, especially when I'm the only one playing. Correct, no? I know what you're thinking. Why can't you just do the rest of the steps during the day? Why would I punish myself again? I'm only punishing myself. You know, my legs are shaking so much that I'm derailing at this point. Chalo, let me see how much am I at. See, it goes faster when I'm talking. It's at 3,200, 3,300 almost. 3,277 pe tha. Maybe I walk faster when I'm talking. But I'm not going to be doing this for 10,000 steps. Let's just keep it at that. So when do I normally get my steps in? When there's a music festival or a concert, and I'm not even about, I mean, after that I'll go on for one day and you end up doing like 16,000-17,000 steps because the venues are that big. That's crazy. So how are people doing 10k steps every day? But who came up with this number? 10,000? Why not just 1,000? What's wrong with 1,000? 1,000 is a good number. 10 days and it becomes 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps every day? Why? Thinking about how I'm not good at math. I was really good at accounts in college. Okay? Closing balance. I know that, what that means. So right now I'm at 3,400 guys. It was just a minute earlier. Does running make it faster? I really can't run. Running is not my speed. It didn't make a difference. Running makes no difference. Let me continue doing this for as much time as my body allows me to do for. I hit 4,000 steps. Now I'm trying to walk backward because maybe it counts better if it's backward walking. Also because I can't walk forward anymore. My legs are paining a little bit. If I was walking 4 kilometers and 8 kilometers, I wouldn't be taking rickshaws in life. I would just walk the distance. But it's okay. Complaining ke aage jeet hai. Walking back. Is this confusing for you guys? It's supposed to be really good to walk back for your hips, for your knees, for your legs. I don't know, for your legs, for your balance, for sure. Now the thing is that I know how I am. I act like I'm really chill. I'm not competitive. I am competitive. I'm scared that once I hit 5k, I'll be like, what's another 5k steps? But I'm going to be realistic. That crow is chilling on the ground. I like him. He's ambitious. He thinks he's a ground crow. That's alright. Why not? Why shouldn't he? Yes. Live your life. Maybe next time I do this, I should just conserve my energy instead of going on buckoing. Let me see. If I, the thing is, if I know what you're thinking. Why don't you just take a rest, take a break? If I take a break, my breaks end up with more breaks. So I'm not the take a 10-minute nap kind of girl. I'm the take a 3-hour nap and then go to sleep again for bedtime in an hour. Okay, let's see where I'm at. 4100. I have 900 steps. Doable. What direction am I walking in? You have to tell me honestly. Has anyone done this in on their first try? And why are you all doing this? Is it fun? If I was walking 10,000 steps, at least I need to get some place. I walk 4k steps and then I go to eat something. But then I'll not be able to walk 4k steps back because after eating I like to take it easy. Do you think I'm so close to giving my phone to someone so the steps count themselves? But that's cheating, so we're not going to do that. We only cheat while playing Uno or Scrabble or Monopoly. That's it. Because everything's fair in love and war. No, it's not. Only if I cheat, it's okay while playing games. If anybody else cheats, then you have a character flaw. Chalo, let me stop talking now. How much is it? See, I'm telling you, when I talk, time goes by faster. People are so fortunate to hear me speak, honestly. Hold on. This crow is where the holy was burnt. And it's like he's praying. Maybe he's trying to take something. I'm sure, wait. He's doing his own rituals. I respect that. I love a religious bird. You do you, Crowy. Pray. Let go of everything that's happened. Pray for new beginnings, crow. Yes, you're not like the other crows. Yes, fly, crow, fly. Where do you go? Are you trying to stop him from his goals, from achieving what he needs to in life, Crowy? You can't do that. Oh my god, there's another crow. Pro tip. If you need hype music, listen to Nicki Minaj or T-Pain. Their voices do something. You just feel like मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ ज़िंदगी में, कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, which I know I can do anything. I'll be honest, 2k steps was more difficult. Now it's not that painful. समझ रहे हो? अच्छी बात है. Steps. There's a plane. Those people are not walking. 4,900 was 4,800 and 91 guys. 4,900 कर लिया मैंने. 5,000 steps in एक time पे. That counts as something. You know how they give you participation certificates for everything? I don't know if I like that or not. It's a tad bit insulting, if you ask me. I mean, if you participate in, okay, I'm going to say this, people are going to get offended. But imagine you had to just win, but now for part. Maybe that's what life is, you participate because it's about the journey, not the destination. Haven't we heard that enough times? But participation for to show off? Pata nahi yaar. I have mixed feelings. So we're just playing to participate. Good enough. He's back. I think he's trying to take something from there. It's not a ritual he's doing. I don't know. 5k steps now. My brain is saying 5,000 more steps is not that bad. So now I'm going to see how much more I can do. I just saw a squirrel, guys. They're so fast. I recorded the squirrel. It's supposed to be lucky. I forgot why. But it is my brain right now. I'm almost at 6,000 steps. I'll see you all when I'm there. We've reached 6,000 steps. Now my mind is like 4 more thousand. I don't know. I'm gonna do this for as long as I can. $7,000 steps first thing in the morning. I'm gonna walk back home now and post the final. It'll be like, I don't know how many more steps. Bye guys, thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope this was entertaining. I'm gonna try walking a little more. I'm not gonna record myself again though because I can't. Bye. I said I won't take a break. I'm just sitting for a minute. I don't think this is gonna make me do another 3,000 steps though. It's just a tiny break. You know how I gave you all that thing of don't push yourself. But honestly, I'm alright. It was more difficult at 2,000 steps. After that, it wasn't that tough. I could have probably done 10,000 steps if I paced myself better and ate a banana in the morning. Then I could have probably done it. Good news is I understand why people do this. It's because it's more mental than physical, I feel. You just feel nice that I did what I set out to do. Now I'm sitting, I'm going to rest my pair. I already said bye, no? See the bird I just posted, I saw him again. I'm so happy. Such a pretty bird. All birds are pretty. Everything is pretty, but that bird, I've never seen that bird. I think I have before. I see him again. 1 second. Wait. I mean, I shouldn't be greedy. I got enough. A very good look at it. Remember how I told you guys that if I do 7,000 steps, I may just want to do the whole thing. I'm at 8,200 steps and now I'm just like, let me just do another. I don't want to do math right now. How many steps? 8,200? 1,800 steps. We got this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. 1,800 more steps. I'm walking down this slope because maybe that's easier than walking uphill. But I've noticed whenever I try to think that something will be more steps, it's not. Whew. We've got this, we've got this, we've got this. I'm at 8,300 steps, 1,700 more. There are these doggies walking, I don't want to disturb them. Because I've had a dog, I know that you should let them walk, you should not, especially when they're with a walker, even their parents for that matter. Because dogs want to say hi to you and then they get happy and then some people get scared. It's not the doggy's fault. It's never the doggy's fault. So let me finish this and talk to you all. I think I've got this, it slows down. I'm at 1,800 steps, 1,000 steps to go. I can't believe the fact that I did 10,000 steps. I feel so good. I can't believe the fact that I've done it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna go and take a long bath and eat and drink a lot of water and pee. Bye guys.